Sí, sí, para la mujer.
Hey y'all! What's up everybody? What is going on? I am actually on my way to the gas station. Had to stop and get some new glasses. I've been packing for this camping trip. I need to shave. There's a whole bunch of stuff I need to do. I need to go get a new tire on my truck because I noticed my left front tire is finally getting down to the nitty gritty. It's been on there for 2 years. It was already a crappy tire when I put it on. It's even a crappier tire now. I don't trust it for a, almost 600-mile trip from where we're going. We're gonna go all the way up through Florida and top end to Georgia and then come back around. It should be fun. Should be fun. Should be a really fun camping trip. I've packed a lot of stuff, however, because there's way more people than just me and Clinton going this time. So I'm actually going down to get some fuel, even though I hate these gas prices right now. I'm gonna fill up right now because I have a half tank, and hopefully it doesn't cost me like $70 like it normally does to fill my tank. But if it does, is what it is. Not a half a tank though. I'm probably looking at about $30 worth of fuel to be topped off. Then I need to go down and get some water, and yeah, we'll figure it out from there. I got all the wood in the back. Hopefully it doesn't rain. It looks like it wants to fucking rain today. I hope it doesn't, because the trip starts tomorrow and then we're gone for 4 days on this trip. So I hope things just go as planned. Ooh, that pump's out of order. Let's see, can I sneak in on this one? Oh, yeah, of course you can, Dan. That's what I'm talking about. Right on in here. Very nice. Very nice. So let me get in here, and then I gotta go get some water and some other stuff. See you guys in a minute. Toodles. Ooh, just a few essentials left here. Yeah, the jerky's always an essential item. Can't live without it, baby.
I shoot a shot. I'm coming in. Yeah, coming in hot, just like the fajita. I write what I live, my life in the speaker. I'm nice with the flow, just like the demeanor. I'm feeding my fam, I'm feeding the meter. They got the iron while I got the steamer. I bring the fire, but you never seen her. I testify, I don't need a subpoena. They want my soul, better go to Korea. I love my dog, just like I'm Peter. Gotta protect them. I made the call up, but just like I'm rapping. I know we left it, now we back together, but I guess that is better now. Later than never. I don't do the most, but I do a lot. I'ma make a toast, cause we still alive. No big, I feel like Pac. I shoot a shot. I'm coming in. I'm coming in.
See him still sleeping, so I shake him up. I kept it too real. I wasn't faking up. My real life was a headline. Your real life got a deadline. My timeline was a hashtag. Your timeline just a hate crime. Coming in hot, feeling like pop. Back in line 4 when he took 5 shots. Too much drive to ride your wave. It's my top and I'm off that lots. Black on black on black on black on black on black on black. You don't have to run rap to get them racks on racks. Uber coolers trying to catch my vibe and find my way. Yeah, I know I'm ratchet, but I really say hot sauce dripping. Everybody wanna start dipping. First nobody wanna listen. Now everybody pay attention. Now everybody pay fee. Even Trump got taking me. When the horn blow, y'all gon' see. Make the wall fall down like.
I don't do the most, but I do a lot. I'ma make a toast, cause we still alive. No big, I feel like Pac. I shoot a shot. I'm coming in.